And now a short story about Mary. In a few months, Mary will turn 65. Mary is now faced with making choices about Medicare. Now that it's on her radar, she has no doubt been paying attention to the barrage of television commercials that speak about so many letters of the alphabet it's impossible not to be confused. Now the good news. Mary has just attended an educational workshop about Medicare that was conducted by Paul Miller. Paul is a licensed insurance agent who specializes in Medicare and works tirelessly to help people navigate what's before them. So how does Mary's story end? Mary attended the educational workshop where Paul Miller does no selling. When it was over, they agreed to meet via telephone. During their conversation, Paul answered all her questions and guided her to several options tailored to Mary's needs. Mary then moved forward, and now all is well in Mary's Medicare journey. What a great story! Now it's disclaimer time. Although Mary's story is real, her image is not. It's a purchased photo. However, Paul Miller is very real. Paul lives here in Fort Bend County and is available to chat about Medicare whenever you're ready. Here's a great idea. Call Paul to speak with a licensed agent at 281-982-0983 or visit Paul on the web at confusedbymedicare.com.